Yo, so today we're going to be breaking down the two reimagined Air Jordans that we got from Jordan Brand. We have the Air Jordan 3 reimagined white cements, and of course, the Chicago Air Jordan 1 reimagined. We're going to talk about it, compare the two, and I want everybody down below to let me know what their favorite out of the two are. I feel like it's a no-brainer when it comes to, I guess, the two silhouettes, but it's a good conversation. It's good to talk about it. I want to see you guys' thoughts and opinions over the reimagined series we have been getting from Jordan Brand. All right, so checking out the first one we got from Jordan Brand, the shoe that broke the Nike sneakers app, the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's, one of my favorite sneaker pickups of last year. I think this was number one. If it wasn't these, it probably had to be the Fire Reds last year that I was really happy to get, happy to add to the collection. And these things right here, nonetheless, are a super beautiful sneaker. I feel like these are probably the better executed one as far as, quality control. We all know what happened with the white cements, but these right here didn't have any major problems in my opinion. I know it was some pairs that had mold on them. I know some people said that their leather was like super jacked up as far as, you got the crackled effect on the toe box, you got the crackled effect even on the heel on the back of the sneaker. So you got that little effect on this one, kind of giving it that age look, that lost and found look. And these right here, I feel like, to me, it's probably the best out of the two. But I know some people out there that probably didn't like these. I like the white cements more. These just released last year. Like I said, broke the Nike sneakers app. You guys remember, I was live streaming. We was live. I couldn't even enter to go in for a pair of these things. I was super salty. Had to end up paying resale. And I made a bold prediction saying that these won't be going for a lot of money because there was so many pairs released. But you guys seen the release, that resale has just shot up, and now they're sitting in the $400 price range, and I had to pay $400 for these things to add to the collection. So if I was wrong, I paid the resale. You guys know it fluctuates. You guys know them bots try to eat up at whatever they feel like is hype, and these right here was a sneaker, man. This had to have been the sneaker of the year overall as far as sneaker heads. Like I said, super clean colorway. That Chicago is probably the number one behind, or probably like either the Breds or the Chicago's number one of all time as far as Jordan 1 colorways. And these right here is dope, man. So checking out the box, you guys already know how they came in with the whole lost and found look, the reimagined look all the way around. Super different box than you get your regular Air Jordan 1s. And then inside you got that little sticker. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I don't know where it's at. Here you go, right here. So on the inside you got the whole receipt for the Chicago Air Jordan 1s. Thought that was super neat, some dope to add into it. And then of course the tissue paper had all of kind of, all of Jordan's old ads that you should throw in the newspaper, you know what I'm saying? So they executed this one well. A super dope sneaker. Wish could have doubled up on this pair, so I gotta be very light with the pair that I do have now, unless I'm willing to spend that $400 price range on these Chicago's to double up. And then one last thing I want to touch up on the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's is that I think that these have the most upside as far as the 3s and then the 1s. You guys seen the price ranges now. They was going for around $320 on the first day of the drop, and then now they're sitting over $450 in my size. So then it's definitely gonna keep rising. You might be like the Chicago 1s, them things are going for damn near $900 right now, which is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to add me another one in the collection, because I definitely know that the resale will keep climbing on these guys. So if you want them, it's the best time to cop them now while he's sitting around $400. And then now we finally have the newly released Air Jordan 3 white cement reimagined, the free throw line Air Jordan 3s, super dope. So with this one right here, I felt like we got too many white cement drops. This is my opinion. I know Chicago's dropped a bunch of times too, but we just got the free throw line dunk Air Jordan 3s, which was a white cement. They had the icy blue soles with the free throw line on the bottom of the, translucent outsoles. And this is my opinion, you know what I'm saying? I feel like we got too many of them. I know some people wouldn't, collect the sneakers back then, so you're happy to finally get the white cements. I've never had the white cements in the collection. Highly anticipated sneaker for me to add to the collection, you know what I'm saying? It's super dope, man. And these right here had the same, age look on the heel tab and even on the midsoles of these things. You kind of see the color contrast. And I'm gonna drop a little part of on feet for both these sneakers in this video, so you guys can tap in, see which one you like more, see if you feel like Jordan Brand's going in the right direction, because we do have a lot more reimagined Air Jordan releases scheduled for the remainder of the year and next year. So we have the Royal Air Jordan 1 reimagined, and then next year we have the Air Jordan 4 Bread reimagined as well. I cannot wait to see that pair. Super dope colorway. Probably my top 2, top 3 Air Jordan 4 colorways of all time. And then just like the lost and found Air Jordan 1s, you got the same little, you know, reimagined box. Kind of like the aged look of it. If you keep all your boxes in your closet for years to come, your box will eventually look like this. But Jordan Brand already beat us to the punch, and they gave us that whole look already. That was the theme behind it, the reimagined. And I really love what Jordan Brand is doing, man. And then one of the main reasons why I put the Chicago's over the white cements just a little bit is because of the elephant print, man. And I'm pretty sure that Jordan Brand did it on purpose. Now that I think about it, they gave us two separate, you know, elephant prints on the toe box and on the heel, so you guys can see the difference. One is lighter, one is darker, and I think that's the whole theme behind the sneaker. They don't want everything to be perfect. They want to look aged. They want one shoe look a little bit different, more worn out. That's just probably what they did. But other than, you know, the huge quality control issues with the sneaker, I definitely think that this still is the sneaker of the year. It's my sneaker of the year. I really don't care what everybody else think. Super highly anticipated to cop these, add them to the collection. I can't wait to get some dope fits out of these bad boys right here. So now we kind of broke down both of the sneakers, kind of talked about the releases of these two shoes. One of them broke the Nike sneakers app, and the other one is kind of still reasonably priced right now in that $260, $270 price range. Hopefully nobody crack y'all over the head for nothing more than that. But I do know on StockX they are going for about $265 in my size. I think it's sitting around $280 in most, you know, bigger sizes as well. So these are the two shoes we broke down today, and now it comes to it, you know what I'm saying, which one you guys rocking out with more. We have the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's in that reimagined vibe, and then we have the Air Jordan 3 reimagined. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love what Jordan Brand did with these two sneakers. Kind of spinned it up, didn't give us the same thing. They could have just easily dropped the white cement again, but they gave it that reimagined look, that reimagined vibe. I think it's something that's dope from Jordan Brand to do. Switch it up, give us something new to look at. Like I said, we got more scheduled for the reimagined vibes. And you guys already peeped my energy behind the two sneakers. For me, it has to be the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's. Jordan 1s is my favorite silhouette. On a day-to-day basis, if I do, you know, step out, it's definitely going to be a pair of ones. And I feel like the Chicago colorway is a very versatile sneaker. It just screams OG all over the colorway. The first shoe to start it off for Jordan Brand, Air Jordan 1 Chicago Reimagined has to be my favorite out of two. But them Bread 4 Reimagined might be a close runner-up to maybe beat these lost and found Air Jordan 1. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated to see you guys' comments, see you guys spam the likes up, and see what you guys are thinking about what we talk about each video. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, like I said, drop them comments. Let me know what you feel about the reimagined line. I'm gonna drop a little bit of portion of the on feet for both of these sneakers. Again, thanks for tuning in, and with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.